So there you go. We'll start things off here with the Funkin' Movin' truck here, and